Hi guys, welcome to IndianExpress.com. How are you feeling right now, like sitting here? I mean, where you actually shot the film, and now, of course, you're talking about it. The film is, I'm sure, like 15-20 days far from the release. So, how does it feel, Siddharth?
Well, it's a lovely experience and a very emotional experience, and all thanks to the Indian Army and then Amazon Prime Videos that we are here talking at this lovely location, which seems very scenic, but to realize that in '99 this was actually a battlefield, which we have recreated in our film, and then of course, and other aspects of the film, which is about our Kargil war hero, Captain Vikram Batra. So I think this is the most relevant place that we could be. I was very emotional yesterday, and we couldn't express it in words on stage because this is something that I'm really attached to and really passionate about, whether this is film or whether it's the character.
Tell me if it's true that the film was first with Jungli, and then kind of it got stuck in between, and then you went to Karan. So tell me, I mean, the whole process of it, was it the fact that it did get stuck, and then you thought that you should go to Dharma, and then how things started rolling?
No, absolutely. So when I met Shabir Boxwala, Kash Entertainment, the producer, and Vishal Batra first, who's Vikram's brother, and they gave me an introduction to what they want to do. And I had heard of Vikram Batra before for sure, but to be honest, didn't know so many details of him. And we had a very massive script at that time, and we didn't have a director. They just had some material, and it was a very, very early setup. And that's why we had another production house who was doing it. And there were months and years that went on, and we could not get a solid script and a correct team for it. Having the foresight, saw the merit in it. And then we, from there onwards, got Sandeep and Vishnu. Vishnu agreed to make this film as his first Hindi film. And then, Kiara came on board. So I think it took a long time, but I think eventually I'm pretty happy with the end result and the end team. That's what matters.
Besides the fact that this is about a Kargil war hero, what was it about the story that you found cinematic enough to tell on the big screen? Or now, of course, on Amazon. What was it about it?
See, 12th August, okay, on Amazon Prime Video, the film is releasing. Okay, when you see that, whatever you see on that screen actually happened. That's the beauty of it. It's also been documented as such. When you talk to people associated with him, with the family, the friends, the officers who served with him, sometimes you really tend to believe, is it true? Is it really, really true? So, but that's what actually happened. Like, for example, the dialogues that he had spoken in the film, all the actual dialogues which he said. I mean, then imagine what kind of a man he is, just imagine a guy, a daredevil, high adrenaline pumped, very caring, very flamboyant, and these are all the traits of someone becoming a legend. Because I remember even General Y.K. Joshi, when we were meeting, when Y.K. Joshi is saying, after the 5140, there was something in him. After the capture of 5140, there was something in when on the battlefield, when they made him captain. He was a lieutenant at the time. So after 5140, they made him captain, there was something in him. Everybody who ever speaks about, kuch tha, wo yaron ka yaar tha, instinctively, it's not about you trying to get connected. He will connect you no matter what. That is what he is, and that's what he has been to all the people who have expressed about him. So you will see everything what is happening there is what actually happened.
Wow. Kiara, tell me, what did you understand about Dimple when you read the script, and did you get to meet her? I mean,
I did. I was also a bit like, this is too real to be real, because we see all of this on in Hindi cinema, but clearly it's inspired by real people and real life heroes. And both Vikram and Dimple, their personas were just, I mean, in every sense, he was so dynamic and heroic. Not only because he did sacrifice his life for the country, but everything that he did was in true hero style. Whether his love story, whether his with the way he was with his comrades, his friends, everybody, there was just so much heroism in that, and that charisma just kind of anyone would get charmed off their feet. It was very warm. It was very warm because it was only the both of us. I was in Chandigarh shooting for something else, and it was all thanks to Vishal Batra who got us together and made us meet. And it was just the two of us, nobody else. And she just spoke. I was just listening to her, and she just reminisced all their memories, all their moments, how things worked, how things were back then. You know, writing letters, trunk calls. It wasn't as easy as it is today, and to have a long distance relationship, and still in those 4 years, and even though it's only a couple of times that you might have even physically met one another, to be so in love with each other that you decide this is for eternity, and that's a choice you make. And today, to see that and to see someone actually decide and choose, I don't want to marry anyone else ever in my life. Imagine what that speaks of the love that they had.
When you are shooting for a film like this, where you are doing, you're playing a real character, right? Is it difficult to find comfort, in a shoot where the sense of responsibility towards perhaps the family, to that man who lived, to the job he had, would never leave you. That responsibility would never leave you. So to find comfort as an actor in that.
No, absolutely. It's very nerve-wracking to see that I might be doing my job as an actor, we might be making films, this is our profession. But for that family who's letting us use this story, it's not just a commercial film. It's their family story. It's their son there, it's their brother there. And I remember when we were shooting in Kuala Lumpur, I had met the family before, but the first time I went to their house where the family stays right now, and on the first floor they have a lovely museum of all his belongings, whether it's his clothes, it's his camera or his diary or his medals, and it was very overwhelming. I realized that I could connect with them. They're such a warm Punjabi family, and I come from the same background as well. And maybe that's why they felt that I fit the bit कि यार North Indian Punjabi लड़का है, so दिखता है just like our son. I remember coming back from that meeting, and we were having dinner and telling Vishnu that, Vishnu, this is like when you meet the family, it's more than just a film. It's such a big responsibility. We are telling their son's story who gave his life for the country. So we can't look at it from a commercial point of view.
As a director, when you know that the family is involved, in telling you the story, where does your loyalty really lie? Does it lie in telling the story, what you have in hand, as true to it as you can, or to the source, and source here being Vikram's family? So is it a difficult call to take?
No, it's not a difficult call at all, because it's very simple. I think you need to be true to the story. You need to be true to what you're going to say, which is what the family is going to be happy about, because you have millions and millions of people, few people who know the story, few people who don't know the story. It has to reach them. I think you being true to what you've heard, what you've learned, and to the story, I think makes a lot of appeal even to the family. That's what they would also want.
I believe war leads only to loss, right? And when you are telling a story like this, how do you then approach it? I mean, of course, it's about this man's courage and valor, but it's also about him losing life and him leaving behind so much, to yearn for. So how do you as a director?
It's very simple. It's purely about what you believe in as a character, what that character believes in, to what extent he could stand by. Once you see the film, how much the character believes in what he really believes in. That's what makes everything. It's not a question of sacrificing life, how much it can inspire people, how much it can inspire.
But just adding to that, I feel once you show what it is for the family and the loved ones to miss that someone, again gives you the same example that it pretty much leads to loss.
Correct.
And though we are not taking a holistic take on whether the battle was right or wrong, but just to show, I think there is in the subtext, it is in the writing that you will feel, and apart from us just really saying.
Yeah, a lot of time the sensitivity is missing, and that's what I just wanted.
No, but I hopefully we can assure you that once you see it on the 12th, that we've whether Sandeep or Vishnu have handled it with our.
If I give it everything right now, then where's the fun?
Yeah, I know.
Where's the fun?
This is more of a question.
I want to talk, but I'm controlling myself. Yes.
No, but thank you so much,
Thank you so
everyone.
much.
It's been a pleasure talking to you.